A group whose members say they have been overlooked for hurricane relief is speaking out this evening after recent heavy rains caused even more devastation to the tools of their trade. Krista Campbell has their story.
A sign that points to the popular tourist attraction, rafting on the Rio Grande in Portland, belies what raftsmen say have been their reality since Hurricane Melissa pounded the island on October 28, 2025.
The hurricane come to take 95% our raft. And from that time until now, we don't get no assistance from nobody.
But Lawrence Chisholm says that didn't stop the raft captains from helping themselves to get their business up and running again. But a month later, just as they were beginning to enjoy what they say has been a promising winter tourist season so far, they found themselves back in the same boat. The recent heavy rains washing profits back downstream.
Friday night gone, the river come up, and take away again. It mash up, we mash up. Saturday morning we come with the help of some of the captain. We turn over what we can turn over. We say we can rebuild and fix up what we fix up. Some can repair, some can't repair. So we draw them up back on the beach up there. So here come the rain again Saturday night. Sunday morning, 60% of the rafting gone again. We don't hear nobody come call and say, boy, what happened?
The raft captains say they feel neglected by the tourism sector.
The PGA parties come here into our paradise. We feel protect it. And make nobody take it from us. So how them want to wear like we gonna spin we like gig like we's a idiot? We's not an idiot. So TPD better come in now. Come have some meeting with Raftman and make and put some things together and put in a plan for Raftman.
Right now we're hungry. The rafting mash up. We have to build them back, we say, without no help from nobody. And we see what we carry the tourists at the office. And them collect the money.
We want you come treat Raftman good and stop treat Raftman way below human level.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.